The G90 M5 is BMW M's first saloon to feature a plug-in hybrid powertrain combining the S68 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with an integrated electric motor. This setup, paired with an 8-speed automatic torque converter gearbox, produces a total system output of 535 kilowatts, 727 horsepower, 717 horsepower. Of that, the V8 engine, shared with the XM and X5M, delivers 430 kilowatts, 585 horsepower, 577 horsepower, while the electric motor contributes 145 kilowatts, 197 horsepower, 194 horsepower. Together, they generate a peak system torque of 1,000 Newton meters, 738 pound-feet, with the engine producing 750 Newton meters, 553 pound-feet, and the motor adding 280 Newton meters, 207 pound-feet. Weighing 2,435 kilograms, 5,368 pounds, in European spec, or 2,445 kilograms, 5,390 pounds in North American spec. The G90 is roughly 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds, heavier than its predecessor, the F90 M5. This substantial weight increase has drawn heavy criticism. Despite the added mass, BMW claims the G90 M5 can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and from 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 10.9 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour, 160 miles per hour, but can be raised to 305 kilometers per hour, 190 miles per hour, with the optional M driver's package. Notably, this is the first M5 where the newer model's power-to-weight ratio is lower than its predecessors, reflected in the fact that the F90 M5 managed 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.3 seconds, slightly quicker than the G90's 3.5 seconds.